Hi friends, I hope you are well today. Yesterday we spoke about what we wear in the summertime. As you see, Mr. Froggy is dressed for the summer. Today we're going to talk about some safety rules, some safety tips that we need to follow because in the summertime we play a lot outside. So safety tip number 1, it is very hot outside. Therefore, you need to make sure to drink a lot of water. This way, it keeps your body hydrated. Hydrated means you drink enough water. Excellent job. Number 2, we want to protect our bodies from the sun. We want to protect our skin. And a lot of times in the summer, we like to wear short sleeves or shorts or a short dress. And we need to protect our skin from the sun. We don't want to get a boo-boo from the sun. It's called a sunburn. We don't want that. So we need to make sure to wear sunscreen. Excellent job. Now, if you're riding on your bicycle or you're riding on your scooter, we need to make sure that we protect our heads in case we fall down. Therefore, we wear what's called a helmet. This is a helmet. We buckle it on the bottom just like that. And therefore, when we're riding our bikes or our scooters, if we fall down, this is very hard and we won't get hurt. Great job. Now, if you're playing ball and your ball rolls onto the street, what are you going to do? Should you run and chase after your ball? No, no, no. You should always get a mommy or daddy to get your ball for you. And make sure that when you're outside, your mommies and daddies are always watching you. Now, in the summertime, we also like to go swimming. Now, in the water time, it's very important that our mommies and daddies are always watching us, that we wear something called a floaty on top of our swimming suit to keep us afloat in the water and to keep us safe. And we should never run outside, especially by the swimming pool. Okay, it could be slippery and wet. So those are some safety tips that we need to follow in the summertime. So before you do something outside, you have to think, should I do this? And a very good way to help you think about that is with this. We all know what this is. We see it all the time. It's called a stop sign. Excellent job, friends. So before we run into the street to catch our ball, we should say, wait, stop. I shouldn't do that. And we should go call our mommies or daddies. If we're so excited to go swimming and we are about to run by the pool, we have to think and say, wait, stop. That's not the right thing to do, right? If we're about to go play outside and go on the swings, we have to say, wait, stop. It's very sunny. Did I put on my sunscreen? So this stop sign helps you remember to think about the special safety tips. And you can use this stop sign when you're playing with your brothers and sisters, with your dolls, with your friends, with your stuffed animals. And one person can play doing the safety tip. Like one person can play the ball and the other person can say, wait, stop. What do you have to remember? And that's how you do that. So today we're going to make a stop sign. So friends, all you're going to need is red construction paper. If you don't have red construction paper, that's okay. You can take a white construction paper and color it. So mommies, what you're going to need to do is just print up this shape, or you can draw it for your children and they can trace it. And children, this shape is called an octagon. An octagon is a very hard word to say. And this shape is called an octagon because it has 8 sides. We didn't learn about octagons when we learned about shapes, but you might learn about it next year. So let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. So mommies are going to make you an octagon. You're going to put it on your paper just like that. You're going to take your marker, and it's very important to trace. Tracing is a very good skill to have. And you're going to trace it just like Maura's doing right now. Beautiful job. And then when you're finished, your mommies can help you cut it out, and your mommies can help you write the word stop, because it's very important that we recognize that this word means stop. Like when our mommies and daddies are driving in our cars, we always stop by stop signs. So friends, I hope you learned a lot from our safety tips, and I hope that you have a very great summer. Bye friends.